So guys, this is super easy to make. Just grab a thread, which is if you have a bee tied to it, that's okay. I mean, that would be super cool. And all you need to do is just rip some paper in whatever style you like. Or if you have scissors, you can just cut this. You can just cut the paper, and then you can start playing.
Yeah.
Bye bye, guys.
Bye bye, guys.